With a growing global population depending on electricity for life's every moment, GE Vernova's customers work hard to maintain their operations, and our teams are there during outages to help them keep the lights on. To deliver on this mission, we've doubled down on our commitment to continuous improvement, transforming how our teams execute and deliver at customer sites.
When you look at industry, when you look at history, there was always this tension to get better, to go forward, to find an answer. That's what Live Outage is trying to do.
Using lean management and our operators' feedback, we developed Live Outage, a system that puts needed manuals, documentation, and checklists required to execute work in digital devices available on-site and on the turbine deck.
Having the drawings, having the torque specs, having the part numbers, everything is right there. You can open it up, you can see what it is, I can show the guys, explain to them what they're doing.
That way you can't step or veer off the track throughout the live outage.
What used to take trailer trucks full of paper and binders is now immediately available to the field execution team digitally, helping to ensure that vital drawings and instructions needed to safely conduct the outage are easy to find and implement. Beyond outage procedures, Live Outage gives access to real-time feedback and progress tracking from the field, enabling us to learn from outages happening simultaneously around the world and continuously improve our procedures.
GE engineering group, field corps, our craft technicians helped us to execute our outages in a much safer, more efficient, faster way and execute these outages at a higher level.
We're excited to gradually implement Live Outage across a variety of gas turbine technologies and customer sites worldwide. Live Outage is implementing lean to the front lines of GE Vernova. This integrated and scaled standard work simplifies and transforms the way we execute outages, helping our customers' power plants to remain competitive today while preparing for a decarbonized tomorrow.